Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Intercom Fin for AI customer messaging automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Intercom Fin for AI customer messaging automation, start by logging into your Intercom account. Navigate to the Intercom Apps section from the main dashboard. Click on the Install App button. In the search bar, type Intercom Fin to locate the app. Once you find it, click on the app to view its details. Select the Install button to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts to grant necessary permissions for the app to access your Intercom account. After permissions are granted, proceed to configure the initial settings. Adjust the messaging preferences according to your company's needs. Set up automated responses for frequently asked questions. Customize the appearance of the chat interface to match your brand. Integrate any additional tools or platforms as required, such as CRM systems or marketing automation software. Test the integration to ensure that it works seamlessly. Monitor the initial interactions to refine the configuration further. Make adjustments to improve the user experience based on feedback. Ensure that all team members are informed about the new system and its capabilities. Regularly review performance analytics within Intercom to optimize the AI responses over time. By following these steps, you will successfully install Intercom Fin for AI customer messaging automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.